Hello everyone, Kara here with Be Coyote. Today I'm going to show you how I have contoured my face using Be Coyote's pressed bronzers. These are the perfect no-mess solution to a sun-kissed summer look or whenever you want to contour your face without the hassle of using a cream. They contain only natural and vegan ingredients and are infused with jojoba and vitamin E because of the wonderful moisturizing properties. There is a matte bronzer and also a golden bronzer to choose from, and the gentle formula is so safe for the face and the body, and it can be used as a contour, a bronzer, and even an eyeshadow or a blush. So let's get into it. One of the things that I love about the Be Coyote pressed bronzers is that it's got 3 parts to it. You've also got a mirror, got the powder itself, and then if you flick under, it actually comes with a little makeup pad as well that you can use and take while you're out and about. So today I'm actually using Coyote's angled brush, which you can find on their website. It is so beautiful. I love this because it is tapered and is perfect for applying your contour as well. What I'm going to use first of all is the pressed matte bronzer. So as you can see here, this is totally matte. There is no shine to it, and I'll just show you a comparison with the golden bronzer as well. There is a little bit more shine to this one as well. This is absolutely beautiful. I do love using these for my eyeshadow as well when I'm not doing too much or anything. I just want like a nice simple overall look. Let's go into it. So all you need to do is gently press the brush into the compact and make sure you always just lightly touch it, because these are so highly pigmented, so you want to make sure that you've got that excess taken off the brush. So what I'm just going to do is, in an upward motion, just really gently using my brush to do the work, just very simply stroke upwards till I can see that line, working more of the product on the outside. I like to start on my cheekbone and then work my way around, so I kind of finish like a 3 shape or a E shape, whatever you want to call that. But as you can see there, I've got that nice, beautiful light contour here. Obviously, if you want more of a dramatic look, you can certainly go ahead and do that. And I just want to show you lightly first and then go into it. So I'm just going to get more of my product, tap that off, and then now I'm going to go onto my forehead. So I really love this look. I love contouring my forehead. I don't have a big forehead, but I just really find that it gives you a lot more shape and dimension in the face rather than just having the foundation in one color. I just really think it's a great way to overall finish off your look as well. Okay, so then I sort of go back into the cheek, and then this is where I work my product down. So I love this, and again, you want to make sure that this is a subtle look, not too over the top so that people can see an obvious line. The beautiful thing about the products is they're really easy to blend. As you can see, that has definitely given me a nice light contour to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side. Another thing I just like to do is finish off my look by just making sure that's nicely blended into underneath my chin as well and onto my neck. So there we go, that's the matte bronzer, and let me just show you a little bit about the shimmer as well. So this is beautiful. I do use this quite often because I do like that shimmer. It really gives it another look. So I'm just going to use this basically on my cheek as a little bit of a bronzer as well, contour, and I guess a little bit of blush. I'm going super light, like that is so highly pigmented. I'm using barely any product. It's one of the things I love about Be Coyote is you don't even need to use that much to get an amazing look. And there we have it. So I really love this look. I love that I can have a contoured look without using a cream. It really creates like a flawless look. It really finishes off your overall look, gives you that dimension, and overall it feels so light on your skin.